Welcome to this video walkthrough, part of the MHSU video series, where we are demonstrating various ways to monitor the status of your referral, including how to respond to a request for more information. Continuing the process of referral management includes monitoring the referral status after you've made the initial referral. In the case of our client Miriam, I received a follow-up email from the triaging clinician at ASTAT Campbell River requesting more information, and the email didn't say much about what is needed, so I went back into Pathways and opened up her referral. We can see a few things on the screen. We can see that the referral status is pending with a little yellow question mark, and we can see that there is a red dot indicating that there is a comment. In this case, there is one comment. If there was more than one comment, it might say 2 or 3 inside of there. It also says up here that the referral requires attention. If we click on Updates, we can see that the required information is missing, and it includes the comment from the clinician that an updated safety plan is needed. We will X out of that box and click on the comment box, which also explains that because of her moderate suicide risk, Miriam requires an up-to-date suicide plan, which means I didn't complete that, so I need to go back into Cerner Power Chart and fix it. I'll just cancel out of this box by pressing X. Then, because I'm not going to comment yet, once we are out of the box, we can see that the little red dot has disappeared. That comment is no longer marked, but of course, the referral does still require attention, and we will close out of Pathways and go into Cerner Power Chart to fix that. We are now back in Cerner Power Chart, and we opened the Suicide Safety Plan Power Form. I will make sure that we've charted the required information, and once that's complete, we will sign the form and then go back into Pathways. Here we are back in Miriam's referral and Pathways, and what we will do next is send a message back to the receiving triaging clinician that we have updated the required request information in Cerner Power Chart. So we will click here. We will type that the suicide safety plan has been documented in Power Chart and then click Add Comment. And now we're going to imagine that a bit of time has passed since we updated that referral. We decide to check the progress of Miriam's referral, and we can do that in Cerner Power Chart as well. How we would do that is click Clinical Notes, and then click to Mental Health, which opens this tab, and then we will look for MHAS referral events, and we'll see that there is a recent update. We'll have a look at that. And it tells us that the action is that the client has been admitted and on what date. Another way that we can know that our client is accepted is that Pathways will generate an email notifying us of the acceptance of the client. Monitoring a referral from the Pathway side, you can go back into the referral as we've shown before. We can see that there's a change in the status and Miriam has now been admitted to ASTAT in Campbell River. Another useful way to receive referral information is from our mailbox up here on the top right. We can see that there are a few messages. The advantage to this mailbox is that it is present across different screens, no matter what screen we're in. We'll see that little mailbox, which means that we don't have to go into a referral to check our messages. When we click on that, we can see that we have a message about our client Miriam. And in order to open it, we click on the little gray arrow that opens up, and then we can see the same information and that the client has been admitted to ASTAT Campbell River and some of the timing and referring information. What we can do then is just click Send and Manage to go back to the previous screen that we saw before in her referral. We'll also now see that because we've checked the message that there is no number next to the mailbox, so there are no more unread messages. Thank you for watching this video walkthrough demonstrating the various ways to monitor the status of a referral and including how to respond to a request for more information. If you have any questions or feedback for us, the Clinical Data Systems team, please reach out to us through the contact information on your screen. Thank you for watching.